पिछले 3 दिनों से शानदार तरीके से चल रहा 9वां ग्लोबल फैशन एंड डिजाइन वीक का समापन भी काफी भव्य रहा। 3 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम के आखिरी दिन के समापन समारोह के फैशन शो ने सबका ध्यान अपनी ओर खींच लिया। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। इस दौरान कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, चांसलर आप्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स एंड प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI, नीरज ए शर्मा, ऑनरेरी कॉन्सल जनरल पलाऊ, किम म्योंग चोल, फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी एम्बेसी ऑफ DPR कोरिया, किम क्वांग चोल, कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट कोरियन सेंट्रल न्यूज एजेंसी, कैप्टन मनजीत सिंह भुल्लड़, ललित टुकराल, शेफ निशांत चौबे मौजूद रहे। फैशन शो में अलग अलग देशों की संस्कृति से प्रभावित परिधानों को खूबसूरत तरीके से पेश किया गया, जिसमें रवांडा, आयरलैंड, DPR कोरिया, गबन, अमेरिका, इजिप्ट, मलेशिया, पलाऊ, इंडिया देशों की खूबसूरती को फैशन शो में दिखाया गया। बता दें कि मॉडल्स ने रैंप पर अपनी खूबसूरती और टैलेंट का जलवा बिखेरा और समा में चार चांद लगा दिया। कार्यक्रम में मौजूदा अतिथिगण द्वारा स्टे विद इंदस और कथा पुस्तक का विमोचन किया गया। साथ ही एक्सट्रीम चैंपियंस लीग का पोस्टर रिलीज किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया किया और कहा, 3 दिवसीय फैशन शो काफ़ी बेहतरीन रहा। सभी टीम मेंबर्स, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स और अपने स्टाफ का कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए धन्यवाद किया और स्टूडेंट्स को उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं दी। कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में आप्ट स्कूल ऑफ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन के स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा फर्नीचर एग्जीबिशन लगाया गया, जिसमें इजिप्ट, अफ्रीका, पेरू, अमेरिका, वियतनाम, मोरक्को, सर्बिया, घाना, इटली आदि देशों से प्रेरणा लेकर खूबसूरत प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम में अवार्ड सेरेमनी में बेस्ट कॉमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट, बेस्ट मॉडल, बेस्ट कलेक्शन, बेस्ट डिज़ाइन, बेस्ट क्रिएटिव डिज़ाइन, मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग डिज़ाइन आदि से स्टूडेंट्स और डिज़ाइनर को अवार्ड दिया गया। साथ ही मौजूदा अतिथिगण को डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा फेस्टिवल मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया। इसी के साथ 3 दिवसीय 9वें ग्लोबल फेस्टिवल एंड डिज़ाइन वीक नोएडा के उत्सव को एक शानदार विदाई दी गई।
What a fabulous show! Excellent, marvelous. I'm still looking for some wonderful words to express my feelings and my excitement. I think better than before, every show is better than the last one. And this was the last show of the third day. 9 major shows, 61 countries which have been projected on the ramp. Around about 80 countries, they have been participating in this festival. 125 furniture pieces, 6 exhibitions, 9 sessions of food festival and 90 rounds. Trust me, I have never seen this kind of a fashion week ever before. I'm very happy. Some of the best remarks we've been getting from the diplomats, ambassadors, high commissioners, people from the interior designing fraternity, people from the fashion fraternity, and people from the food fraternity. They've been very excited seeing this kind of a festival. Lot of praises for the hard work, efforts, what students have put into making this great fashion week in India, but globally. And I'm very happy we have been able to achieve what we really wanted to, love, peace and unity through art and culture. This is our motto, and I'm very happy that during all these 3 days, almost 36 hours, we have been able to reach to almost all over the world, to all the 196 countries of the world, where we can now comfortably say that India is the center of peace, India is the center of spirituality, and we want love in this world. Thank you very much.
I'm very grateful to Chancellor Sandeep Marwa ji that year on year he is supporting Palau through Indo-Palau Cultural Forum, and the fashion show was excellent, and I'm very happy that Sir, aaiye, please. I'm very happy that Palau was showcased this time. I think this is the first time Palau was showcased in a fashion event in India, and that is at AAFT, and I am glad for that.
Yeah, hi, my name is Mona and I'm a makeup artist, and today's show is beautiful. The collections that we saw were amazing, and the students really outdid themselves, and it was truly amazing. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It was a great show, presentable and a hard work done by the student of AAFT. I am honored to thank you, Mr. Ankit Nagpal, to invite me here today for the fantastic show. A great show ahead and many more to come. Thank you.
I'm Kunalika and I'm 27 years old. Currently, I'm working in Amazon as a French language specialist, and I'm an entrepreneur as well. And if we talk about the show, I really enjoyed it. It was such an amazing designers and the couture, everything was on point. I myself really enjoyed the show.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Neha Shivran, a consultant radiologist at Manipal Hospital, Jaipur, as well as a first Indian to represent India at the prestigious Universal Petite pageant and being the first runner-up. And I was so excited to attend this event as I am myself a student of AFT University, and my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Ankit Nagpal for inviting me to the event. And a big congratulations to Mr. Sandeep Marwa and the whole team for organizing such a wonderful fashion event. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Dimple Kashyap. I'm a fashion model and this show was amazing. I just want to congrats Mr. Sandeep Marwa sir and all AFT team. And my special thanks to Mr. Ankit Nagpal who invited me as a guest of honor. So that's it.
Hi, this is Ankit Nagpal. I'm the director for Bang On Target PR and Media Solutions and Groom to Bloom Grooming Academy. Well, for today, I would give a big congratulations to AFT and Sandeep Marwaji and the whole team, in fact, of AFT. You guys are just diversifying in all segments, and to see today's show, the finale was awesome. Of course, India was the last country where it was showcased, but I think any and every country, the designers have done a wonderful job, and I give them all my wishes, and I hope that they lead this industry in the best possible way they do.